Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope this day finds you well. I am here with the hashtag Christmas Time collab that is hosted by A Day in My World and Kelly Santa Design. And this week is handmade gift tags. Well, I recently purchased some stamps to make Christmas cards this year, and I was so eager to use them, I decided to make some Christmas tags. So I'm here to show you the stamp first, and then I'll show you what I made. So the first one I'm gonna show you is this one. They are made from Woodware Craft Collection. They are a UK company. You get the little gnome, and it's got a little snowman on top. You get some hearts. You get a snowflake, and then the sayings are winter wishes, wishing you a fabulous Christmas, and let it snow. So here are the first gift tags I made. So what I did is I just made big tags, and I put some Christmas paper, and then I have some paper that look little polka dots or dots that make look like snow's coming down. I took a white piece of paper, and I kind of made like a snowdrift, and I colored the little gnome image, and then I have some glitter just on the white to look like he's glycerine, and then I have these little snowflakes. And then up in the corner I have a stamp, looks like this. It says Merry Christmas with a poinsettia, and I just colored it up there. And those are those two right there. But with this, I also made a little gift bag. And I just used different paper on the background, same little snowdrift, little snowflakes, glitter, and it's like this. But inside this little gift bag, I also made some to and from little Christmas tags. And I colored it. These are from a magazine I bought that's Christmas related. And we had some poinsettias, Christmas ornaments. They were tiny, so I thought they were so cute to use. Some more ornaments. A little kitty cat drinking some hot cocoa. And then a kitty cat in the stocking. So I made a couple of them. And they just kind of go in the bag for now. And then that is the first set I made. And like I said, that is this stamp set. I thought it was so cute when I saw these guys. There's a couple more I want to get them, but she hasn't got them in yet. So the next one I was eager to use was another Woodware Craft Collection. Was the little gnome with the reindeer on his head and the lantern. And this one says, be merry and bright. Have yourself a gnomeful Christmas. Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. You got a heart and a star. That's what that one looks like. And these, they look like this. What I did is I took some music sheet paper I had, and it's fa la la la, deck the halls, and I used that as background. And then up here it says, wish you a Merry Christmas across the top. I colored him, and I glittered up him all the color. So his green is got glitter on, his red, his little beard's got some glitter on, the hat, little nose. And then this is trimmed from the Dollar Tree. I went around it. Up here is this stamp that I had. It looks like that. And I add a couple bells. And it says to and from. And then I have some ribbon coming off the edge. That's that one. And then here is this one. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Okay, I'll stop. And also, I made a little gift bag. Same thing, glittered them up, colored them, of course. And the same little gift tags are in this one as well. They're identical to the ones I showed earlier, so I won't make you go through all that. But them are them little gift tags. What is that on there? Get that out of there. Piece of tape. I tell you, things you discover when you're doing a video. Now I get stuck to my finger. There we go. I got it off. So that's what this one looks like. And you notice the bells, I have red and green on the bells. And then a silver and a gold. They jingle. That is that one. Okay. The next one is is another stamp company. It's Couture Creations, and I think I don't know where this one's out of, but I thought I like this, and it's a clear stamp set. It's right here. I think he looks like he's wearing his pajamas. So you get the Christmas balls, the gifts, and the little gnome. Of course, it's this one. So I made a green one, and a red little bag. And all I did is took some glitter washi. The ornaments, I colored them. And in this poinsettia paper, and back here it says, "Have yourself a merry little Christmas." The same little tag, to and from with some bells. Colored the little gnomey guy and glittered him up. That's the red one. And of course, the little gift bag. It's just decorated in the back. And of course, there's little tags in there. That's that. And I also did it in green. So it's basically the same but opposite colors, where the Christmas bulbs are here in green and with red. This one's red and green. Green up here instead of red. Here's the little tag. Oh, this one came kind of, didn't stay tight as that much. I might have to fix that. And, oh, see? Yeah, don't have to fix that. And the little gnome is colored, and then I glittered them. And then the green washi tape going down the side. And here's the little bag. And of course, gift tags. That's that. Then, like she ain't done yet, I was just sitting here putzing, and I'm just going to show these. Think I'm going to use them as a gift tag, but I want to find a different to and from for these. But they are Tim Holtz inspired, as I'll put it. I did use Tim Holtz paper in the background in one of his frames. Then this is music paper, and these images you're seeing here are off a vintage Christmas off Etsy. I thought they were so pretty, so I made that. And I'm going to try to figure out how I can get a to and from on this, but I thought I'd just share them. So there's that one. And then there's this one. Merry Christmas, poinsettia, some music note paper again, 12, and the old, I call them old world Santa look. So them are them. I thought they turned so cool. So I just made them because I felt like making them. And of course, we have the ones I made. So we have the little red gnome, the little green gnome and his pajama gnomes, the pajama gnomes, and then the little reindeer gnome. And of course, I forgot to mention, there's ribbon on the top of these as well. And the snowman. So them are my gift tags for this week's collab, guys. I hope you go check out all the rest of the ladies' homemade gift tags also. I want to thank you for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody. Merry Christmas.